Good morning everyone, salam dan bahagia. Before I start presentations, let me introduce myself first. My name is Priscilla and I am from 3A1 class. My student number is 2019 002080. So today I'm gonna presentation my poster, which is the title is Ki Hajar Dewantara Among System Analysis in the Primary School Classroom Management, a case study. So, these articles are made by Dwi Wijayanti and Pia Ebi Praherto from Universitas Sarjana Wiyata Taman Siswa. So, in this poster, there are 5 points which are abstract, introduction, method, result and discussion, and the last one is conclusions. So let's talk about the abstract first. As we can see, good classroom management is the most important part of learning activities carried out by a teacher. However, classroom management problems in the primary schools still often occur, such as class indiscipline, late for school, do not collect assignments, tease each other, fight, steal, cheat in the examination, low learning outcomes, bullying, and another student violations. To overcome classroom management problems, teacher can implement the Ki Hajar Dewantara among system. In among system, teachers to wait, required to perform many roles including as educator, motivator, counselors, facilitators, and classroom manager. This study aims to determine and analyze the among system application in classroom management of SD Negeri Timuran, Yogyakarta. For the introduction, classroom management activities consist of two main activities, which are students' arrangements and facility arrangements. It's by Lewis from 2012, page 42. So classroom management to develop a conducive classroom atmosphere requires the teacher's skills to know, comprehend, choose and apply effective approaches so that the learning process takes place optimally. This teacher skills is used to make a good learning process, design that will make the learning process interesting and students are actively involved in learning. The teacher not only play a role as an instructor, but also as a manager and a facilitator who educates students to learn. An interesting learning process requires qualified teachers who have the competencies required by the professional assignment by Suwardi 2007. So, the method that used, this study used qualitative analysis method with a descriptive approach. Data collection used direct observation, technique in-depth interviews, and documentation that held on 7 until 14 September 2019. So the data collection instruments are the observation guidance and interview guidance form. Research subjects are the principal, teachers, and students. Data analysis steps include data presentation, data reduction and verification, while the validity of the data was tested using increasing perseverance and triangulation technique. So, the result and, and discussions For the results and discussions, the results of observation and interview indicate that the among system ASA, ASI, ASU are implemented through a pluralistic approach in which there are five kinds of approaches. There are instructional approach, authoritarian approach, democratic approach, socio-emotional approach, and group process approach. And last, for the conclusions, the result of the study showed that the application of the Ki Hajar Dewantara among system in classroom management of SD Negeri Timuran Yogyakarta has been going well. Among system, ASA, ASI, and ASU has been implemented through a pluralistic approach in which there are five kinds of approaches. The implementation of the among system in classroom management is adjusted to a number of things, including students' development, subject matter, values or attitudes to be formed in students, school facilitators, to the condition of the school environment. So, this is the end of my presentations. Thank you for your attention. Salam.